What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1986 Cutlass Supreme. 307. I believe this was the original motor. Very quiet, cold AC. And yeah, those are 13s, but they clean. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. We post videos every single day. We do test drives and walk-arounds, point out any kind of flaws so that you know exactly what you're getting when you get here. You can also check out our website, maplemotors.com, for financing options, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and yes, I could ship this all over the country. It's that time. Let's go for a ride. Check out the interior here. Go ahead and take the pole up at the top right corner. We're gonna guess, do you think the horn works or not? Looking around the interior, it's nice and clean in here. The guy that had it before us was a local. Very, very well taken care of. Pretty much everything works in this car. We'll go ahead and start it up. It's showing 47,000 miles on the dash, and that's believed to be original. Starts right up nice and easy. We've actually been blocking the gate with this car because it is so easy. We'll go ahead and try the horn. Y'all ready? Oh my goodness. One more time. Windshield wipers wise, that works. We do have the face of the radio. It works. Cold AC blowing out of here. I'm gonna set y'all up in the window over here, and we're gonna take off down the road. Like an envelope under the seat here. 86 Cutlass. That is receipts. It's always a good sign. Got a little bit of a paper trail behind them. I'll leave that up under there so we don't get it lost. Put my seatbelt on. Just coming out nice and easy. This is just a all-around well taken care of car from what I can see. When I get back from this test drive, we're going to be doing a walk around. I'm gonna point out any kind of flaws that I can find on the outside, getting close on any kind of chips, anything that I might see. Speedometer's coming up. Gas gauge is floating around. I believe it works as well. Car's going straight down the road. As soon as I turn, it turns nice and tight, steering. Kick down's hooked up. You can hardly hear the car. Pretty quiet exhaust on it. Brakes are stopping fast. Running and driving wise, this thing seems really, really nice. Tilt works. Seatbelt's got a little bit of slack in it. Doesn't look like it's kind of getting stuck there. Try and get it to pull back. A little bit of slack though. Speedometer's kind of bouncing a little bit. It is working though. No lights on the dash. I'm gonna go ahead and get over here in this parking lot, do some outside shots, let you hear what it sounds like when I'm flying by. I use this telephone pole. It's metal. It hasn't failed me. It's been doing really good. It scopes out. It's got a stand on the bottom where you can sit it on the concrete and drive by. So definitely check that out. I'll leave Amazon links in the description for all the equipment that I use through these videos, so that you can purchase them yourself. It'll just send you straight to them. Turn signals, everything's working good. They're clicking off by themselves. Usually sometimes this stuff starts going out, but all right, let's get these shots. All right, guys, new experience here. Give y'all some first person action. Put you in the driver's seat. Give you a look around the car. It's kind of weird wearing this headband, but I'll try it out. Excited to get back, see what the video looks like. One thing I'm loving about this car is the nice cold AC coming out. You don't get that much with these classics. Be lowered the way it is, it's nice and smooth on the ride. Everything bump wise that we've hit in the road just kind of went nice and smooth over. There's a bump up here on the next road we turn on. If you're familiar with the channel, it's basically a speed bump in the middle of the road. I always try to hit it at a moderate speed, give you an idea how the suspension is. This one was done right, so definitely got some rain coming in today. I'm going to be fighting it all day trying to get these videos done. We picked up 18 new cars. We actually picked up 20, but haven't included them to the website yet. The speed bump's right here in the middle of the road. Nice and smooth. Go head on back to the lot now. Go ahead and do a walk around on this, get this video uploaded for y'all, and go to the next today. I love having options. A nice truck in the parking lot there. Looks like a dually slammed. That's cool looking. Pull back in the lot here. Like I said, watch out for the walk around video where I walk around the outside of the car, point out any kind of flaws. That way you know everything before you get here. I do appreciate y'all watching. Check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed photos. We can also ship these cars all over the US. We got wheels, tires, parts, and accessories on that website as well. And financing options. Easy way to access the walk around video is to wait till the last 30 seconds of any video I post, and you'll get walk arounds or test drives, vice versa, depends on which one you're on. Hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day, and please share them if you can. It helps us out greatly. Thanks again, guys.